This is Visual Learning Tutorial Center, hosted by Glowing Media Productions. Today I'm going to show you how to use Filezilla, a FTP software. But before we do that, I'm going to explain what an FTP software is. FTP software allows you to upload and download either multiple files or large files, such as if you wanted to upload the software for a forum database, you would be able to do that with Filezilla. Or if you wanted to download a large 1 gig file, you could also do that with Filezilla. Most of the time, if you have a website, you do want an FTP software for your upload and download. It makes the process a little faster. Now the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to know what your host name is, your username, your password. Then the port number would be ideal to have but not required. You can find all that information in your web server control panel. And if you don't have an FTP account already set up, you can set one up and make sure the settings are how you like them. Now with Filezilla, after you've typed in your host username password information the first time, it'll be in a quick connect list, which if you click this arrow, it'll drop down and give you a quick connect list for servers that you've already connected with. In here we have the option to reconnect or disconnect. You can also enter custom commands when connected if you know them. You can process your queue, which is the files you're downloading or uploading. You can even change the theme. And then you can also site manager, so you have sites in there already that are listed and you have specific settings for them. So we're going to go ahead and reconnect to our server. And we're in our tutorial folder. We're not going to show you any information because we don't want to give anything away. So what we're going to do is we're going to minimize this down. And I'm just going to scroll through here and go to the file that I want to upload. We're just going to go ahead and upload a file from a blog. Now the file we're going to go ahead and upload, we're just going to upload summary.php. It's a file from blog software. So we're going to double click on it, or we can drag it over to our server side. And we do that. Make sure you don't get it on this folder with the 2 dots. It'll go to the next directory. So we're going to drag it over, and it quickly transferred it. It wasn't a big file. That's how you would transfer files from your computer to your server. And to download them, you would right click on summary, click download, or you can drag it back over to where your computer files are listed. And sometimes it will ask, the file already exists, do you wish to overwrite? We're going to go ahead and tell it to overwrite this time. And you've downloaded the file, and when you download the files stay on the server. So to delete the file, have the file highlighted and press delete on the keyboard, or right click and delete. And that's a tutorial on using Filezilla FTP software.